Hey, I'm back. Would you believe it? That's better. Would you believe it? I just made a salad, herring salad, right? Nice healthy fish salad. Guess what I done? I thought to myself, be careful because you'll drop some on your clean t-shirt you just put on. Guess what happened? Yeah, two little drops, one there and down there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. I hope not. But anyway, so I just dabbed it in some water and let it dry a bit. But I knew that was going to happen. Isn't it funny? You know it's going to happen, and then it does happen, and you don't do anything to prevent it. I mean, I could have put a couple of napkins, like John Travolta, Saturday Night Fever. You remember that? He was eating pasta, and he put a bloody napkin on, whatever. Anyway, right, let me do All Shook Up. I'm all shook up. And this cheap mic again. I said I weren't going to do it again, but what the hell. Let's go. I just downloaded it from this website. They're only about a couple of dollars a track, but they're not bad. Right. Let's get ready. La 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 la. Right, here we go. That's it. Start it. Let's go. Well, bless my soul, will surround with me. I meet you like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friend said, my girl, love is a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. My tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. Ooh, do you think I was having such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. My tongue inside when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine. Had that girl and I love so fine. She touched my hands, so the chill I've got. Her lips so like a volcano is hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah. My tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine. At that girl and I love so fine. She got some hands and the chill I've got. Her lips are like a volcano is hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. I'm all shook up. Well, there we go. Right before the next track starts. Whoa. Oh, my voice went a bit funny. Did you hear that? I need a drink badly. So I'm supposed to go, what was that bit? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. That other bit. What was that bit? My tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My inside shaking like a leaf on a tree. And my voice went a bit funny when I went high. As I have that girl and I love so fine. Maybe I should have done it in another key, eh? What do you reckon? I can actually download it in different keys anyway. But anyway, there we go. So that's good enough for now. I'm going to make a drink now, have a cup of tea or something like that. Yeah, English cup of tea. Anyway, talk to you later, folks. Okay, that's better. Right. Oh, Jesus. All right then, folks. Bye for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Ciao, ciao.